Well, hey everybody, Quint 1836 here. Been 77 million years since I've actually done a proper video on good old Rambo here. Rambo is a 1974 Ford F-250. It's got an F-100 body on it, but well, that Mustang sounds good. Getting third, go for fourth. There you go. It's got the 250 chassis on it, but the 4.9 300 Borg-Warner T18, and it's just straight piped right down out the back. I actually did that exhaust myself. So it's currently, as you can tell by my short sleeve, it's currently 19 degrees. I'm about to faint. 19 degrees, and it's been sitting a week, and I'm gonna give y'all a treat. I ain't gonna pump it. I ain't gonna hit the electric choke. Let's just see if it'll crank on its own. Here we go. Got a stage 2 comp cam in it, just enough to give it a little low, but I mean, it just, well, I'll pop the power barn here. Been a lot done on this truck since y'all have last seen it, including a new hood latch and a CB radio. Yeah, the old carbonation system, new air filter, still running a tickle bit rough. We'll give it a little throttle, help it out. New 4-core aluminum radiator, new fan clutch, and painted up the fan. But other than that, you know, maybe a new starter since y'all have last seen it, I don't remember, and a train horn, and the rack. Oh, and possibly the best upgrade I've done to this truck is the fuel cooler. This is for a 2012 Duramax, but it works just fine for gas application. So there you go. Rambo's in business. And by the way, it probably would have lit right off on the first revolution, but that's too boring. You gotta have the good stuff.